Hey everyone, I'm Aprajita ma'am. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in the part 1 of the spherical pillars, I have explained how to draw the ray diagrams, and somewhat I have explained that how you can find the side convention. And in this video, I will give a quick recap on the sign convention, and we will solve few numericals so that you will be able to understand easily that how to solve any of the numerical, and there will be no doubt in solving this. Okay, without any delay, I will start my video. First, we will give a few recap of the sign convention. So first of all, I think you have learned that what is the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is your mirror formula. I have explained that what is F, U and V in any mirror. This is what kind of mirror is this? This is concave mirror. As I told you already in the first part, that this is the pole, this is the center of curvature, and definitely the midpoint is the focus, and the focus to pole is distance is taken as focal length. We represent it by small f, and the focus is a point, and the focal length is a distance from focus to pole. And we can keep our object at any place at infinity or beyond C, between C and F, and at F, and there are other positions also. You can keep it at between focus and pole. So according to that, where your object is kept. For example, I have kept my object at this position. So what is U? U is the distance from the object to pole. This distance is called U, right? What is the image? What is the V? So where the image will be formed? If the object is between C and F, definitely you have seen in the ray diagram that where the image is formed, that will be definitely beyond C, and it will be real and inverted. The inverted means when the object is above the principal axis, image will be below the principal axis, right? So this real image is always inverted. So the object is like this, then the image will be like this. So what is V? V is the distance from image to pole. So what is this? This is V. So what is the meaning of the sign convention? Sign convention is nothing but just like your Cartesian plane. You already know in the mathematics that this is your origin. This is your origin, and this side, the right side of the origin is taken as positive, and left side is taken as negative, and above the origin we take the values positive, and below the origin the values are negative, right? So similarly we will treat pole as a origin. तो pole के above जो भी distances हम लेंगे, they all will be positive, and below the principal axis values will be negative. Similarly, right side and left side. So left side will be taken as negative, and this side will be taken as positive. So by convention, this is the spherical mirror, and this side is definitely polished. So left side of this is object will be taken. So U will always be negative. First, I will define between the convex and concave mirror. And one more formula was there for the magnification. That was again in the part 1, but I will write it here also. The formula was, for the magnification, I have already told you that magnification is a ratio of height of image to the height of object, right? It is also known as height of image to the height of object. So that image can be magnified, diminished. You can find it is greater than 1, less than 1. All the things you can count. But the ratio is also equal to minus V by U. So we also have the derivation of these formulas also in the class 12th optics. And in the class 12th optics, we are again going to study the same thing. And at that time, students used to forget about the spherical mirrors. So these two formulas, we will have the derivation of these two formulas also using similarity in the class 12th optics, right? But in the class 9th and 10th, you just know what is the formula and how to solve the numerical. So these are the two formulas, right? So now I will divide and I will explain what are the sign convention for the concave and the convex mirror. So what is a concave mirror? This is your concave mirror, right? So this is your pole, and this side is positive, and this side is definitely negative, and above the principal axis the values are positive, and definitely this side is negative, right? So where we keep our object, we always keep our object this side. So U is always negative conventionally. So u is always negative. For class 9th and 10th, we always take the object as real. So u is always negative. In class 12th also, we will use some different virtual objects. In that cases, we will explain it later. So in for class 9th and 10th, u is always negative conventionally, right? So u is negative, and you have already known that the focal length of this is going to be negative because this is the converging mirror. तो जब ऑब्जेक्ट आता है यहाँ से लाइट आती है रेज, आपको तीन रूल्स याद है ना. द पैरेलल लाइट आएगी, इट विल पास फ्रॉम द फोकस. व्हेन इट विल पास फ्रॉम द फोकस, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट विल become parallel to the principal axis, and when it will pass from the center of curvature, then it will just trace back. So definitely the focal length of this, because this is a converging lens, अगर आप parallel भेजोगे तो definitely it will pass from the focus. Parallel जाएगी तो focus से, तो here the image will be formed. This is the converging mirror. Definitely its focal length is going to be negative.